HOBOT-S7 Pro, tested. Water residue and cleaning result comparison. Double the cleaning power. HOBOT cleans windows automatically by first spraying water or detergent to dissolve stains. The lower, dampened part of the cleaning cloth wipes away the dissolved stains, leaving slight water marks, which are then removed by the upper, dry part of the cloth as HOBOT moves to the next row. High-speed reciprocating polish. HOBOT's dual cleaning cloths reciprocates at a rate of 600 times per minute with 4 mm stroke to effectively remove dust and dirt. HOBOT mimics the way a human wipes windows, but much faster and less hassle. HOBOT's dual mop reciprocating polish easily wipes away all kinds of dirt, whether it's oily stains like lipstick or water-based marks like paint, leaving your windows spotless with minimal effort.